Spotify is one of the most popular music streaming services in the world. It offers a great selection of music as well as exclusive content that you can't find anywhere else. But what if your favorite band or artist isn't on it? In this video, I'll show you how to upload your music to Spotify on Android and listen to it no matter where you are. To get started, first open up your Spotify app. And then, when you are on the home page, tap on this gear icon at the top right of the screen. When you are on this screen, scroll down until you see an option called Local Files. Once you find it, what you want to do next is tap on it and enable Show Audio Files from this device. So as you can see, this says, Add tracks from this device into your library. So after you enable it, tap on your library and then locate the locale files and tap on it. And now when you are on this screen, it will show you all of the songs on your local files. Those songs will be uploaded to your Spotify account, where you can add them to a playlist and listen to them on any device. But for some reason, if your tracks aren't appearing here, what you can do is email Spotify support and tell them your issue. They will look into it and fix it for you. Another thing is that if you are a creator and you want to upload your own music to Spotify for people to listen to, you actually can't do that in the app by yourself. In order to do that, you need a music distributor, and you have to go through that process. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.